Gather round, mortals. Today, I will teach you 5 real ways to make money online using AI. These methods actually work. They are not scams, they are not fake hacks, and they are not taught by a man who films in front of a rented sports car while sweating like a troll in a sauna. Let us begin with method 1. AI content creation. This is where you use AI to write blogs, scripts, newsletters, and product descriptions. You bring the ideas. AI does the heavy lifting. It is like having a tiny, invisible intern who never sleeps, never argues, and never asks why you smell like disappointment. You can create a blog about gaming, cooking, fitness, or whatever strange obsession keeps you awake at night. AI helps you outline the article, write the paragraphs, and polish the final version. Then you earn through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. The more content you create, the more your income grows. It is simple. It is clean. And it does not require the brain power of a stunned goblin. Method 2. Digital products. Stickers, planners, templates, t-shirt designs. Humans buy this nonsense at 3 in the morning when their brain has fully shut down and their wallet is still awake. You choose a niche. For example, angry frog stickers, sarcastic wizard quotes, or motivational posters for people who have no motivation. You create the idea. AI helps you generate variations. Then you upload the products to Etsy, Gumroad, or wherever you want. Once the product is listed, it can earn money for months without extra work. This is passive income. The dream of every mortal who wants money without moving anything except their index finger. Method 3. AI video creation. Short videos are exploding faster than my apprentice after he tried to microwave a potion. You can use AI to generate scripts, captions, voiceovers, and edits. This makes the process fast and painless. You can create short videos about gaming tips, life hacks, AI tools, or wizard wisdom. AI helps you write the script, generate the subtitles, and edit the clips. Then you post the videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You earn through ads, affiliate links, or by promoting your digital products. Short videos reach new viewers quickly because humans have the attention span of a confused chicken staring at a shiny rock. Method 4. AI-assisted freelancing. This is perfect for beginners. You do not need to be a master wizard. You only need to be slightly more competent than a troll with a hangover. AI helps you work faster and deliver better results. You can offer services like copywriting, social media management, thumbnail design, and research. For example, a client may need 10 product descriptions. AI helps you write them quickly. Another client may need a script for a video. AI helps you outline and polish it. You earn by completing projects and building a portfolio. The more you deliver, the more clients you attract. This method is great for people who want active income that grows with experience. And unlike my apprentice, you will not explode. Method 5. Automation. This is where AI becomes your tiny digital minion. It handles email sequences, social posts, customer replies, and simple tasks. Once the system is set up, it works while you sleep. You can create an email sequence that welcomes new subscribers, sends helpful tips, and promotes your products. You can schedule social posts for an entire month in one session. You can set up automated replies for common questions. This method saves time and allows you to scale your income without increasing your workload. Just do not give your automated system too much power. The last time I automated my tower, it tried to lock me out. These 5 methods are real, practical, and achievable. You do not need magic. You only need consistency and the willingness to learn. Start with one method. Build momentum. Then expand into others. If you want more tutorials, more wizard wisdom, and more chaotic guidance, subscribe. If you do not, your Wi-Fi may mysteriously begin showing only Goblin yoga videos. You have been warned. Farewell for now.